let's get started on some welding. Hey everybody. Okay, so beautiful Sunday. I think it's the beginning of October. We're doing a little bit of work on the service truck. Put us a new crane mount there. She's not the best, but she'll hold. Now we're gonna do some more welding on the inner structure of this back cabinet. Hard to see. I've got basically sandwiched it between 2 1/4-inch plates, and then finish welding out. This pipe is broken loose and seams. Then you get up in there and do some welding. Do some more welding around the bottom. Try not to burn up my wiring in the process. But yeah, that's today's challenge. Finally got our welder wired up, 220, running on a 60 amp circuit. So should be okay. Welded out pretty nice last night. We'll take you along for the ride in time lapse. See what y'all think. Be back. Okay, so we finished up the truck. She's about as stable as she's gonna get. What I plan on doing with it. I'm not trying to lift big, huge, heavy cylinders or anything like that. It's just to stabilize that baby crane up top to give it some more rigidity. Now, this guy. What shall we do with this? Have an idea. You'll have to stay tuned to find out. So, I don't know if any of you know, but that is my last name. It is a hot last name, that is for sure. I love it. Maybe your mind can wonder what we're going to do with the rest of this. Got a lot of letters to complete. Good thing I've got a full box of rods. That was 4 rods right there to do 7 letters. So we'll be back. Okay, everybody. So, we got project done. She's got a little warp in her. I think I can flatten it out though. It's not too horrible. Not bad for freehand stick welding. I'm gonna go get myself a shower, and I think we're gonna pack it in for the day. It's still a beautiful day, but I'm gonna take it easy for the rest of the day. Been working solid for the last 5 hours almost, maybe a little bit more. As always, everybody enjoy the day. Stay frosty.